Find the fourth term in the expansion of a plus x raised to the power 12. So first, in this case, a is actually equal to a, b is equal to x, n is equal to 12. And now since we want the fourth term, note that 4 would be equal to 3 plus 1. And then that allows us to write it as n is 12, choose 3. That will be our coefficient. And then it's a raised to the 12 minus 3 times b, which in this case is x, raised to the power of 3. And now evaluating, this would be equal to 12 factorial over 3 factorial times 9 factorial times a to the 9th x cubed. And when we evaluate 12 factorial over 3 factorial times 9 factorial, that works out to 220 a to the 9th x cubed.